Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ka Sorkar Club Pynjlan selai Snem ya ka Jingai ya ka Polo Orchid pat ka Jiva Resort kibadan ha Sohra. Mintirong ba ka jalla konrat kong ka sang mau loong bashwa ya ka nila aiwa ya kini marshi Snem bat ka Polo Orchid ka siu lak tingka kat ba ka Jiva Resort pat ka siu point sapupra lak tingka. Hendrai hadian bakla kerpat ya ka Sorkar bakan Pynjlan biang ka Sorkar Club Pynjlan ya ka Jingai selai Snem bat ken hab an siu syaka Sorkar 100% na ka ka baki yo kamai na lor ka te ka bai wai bat na lor ka taru ki haban siu san lak tingka Snem syaka Sorkar.
As you're aware, in the beginning, the resort, both Jiva and Polo, was given about close to about 30 years of lease, and they were paying a certain amount to the state government based on the lease. So earlier it was leased up for 10 years to each one of them, and they were paying 2 lakhs by the Polo, 2 lakhs per month, and 2,48,000 by the Jiva Resort. Then in between we extended the lease to 8 years for Orchid, Polo, and 5 years for Jiva. In between that, we have now leased out many properties to different private players, and we have extended the lease years to up to 60 years so that the feasibility of the project comes out. So based on that, the Orchid and Polo as well as the Jiva Resort have requested the government if they can also get another 30 years of lease based on the steps taken by the government to give to the new parties that are coming in today. So therefore, this came to the cabinet and we have approved this increase of lease of 30 years more to both of them. And we have also decided to increase the amount that they pay to 4% of their gross revenue, which is what is the benchmark for the other resorts that are coming up in that area and in the different parts of the state. So therefore, from 2 lakhs and 2,48,000, they will now have to give us a part of their revenue, which is about 4%, is what has been decided. And at the same time, they will have to give an annual lease rental of 5 lakh rupees also to the government.
Wat Pynjlan yakani ka kabu ki sopti tho ki babha bat shongdor nadu 100,000 hadu 100,000 tingka menta philaban yo hagador lai 100,000 tingka ya ki sopti tho ba shongdor hinyo 100,000 seneng phinyo tang san 100,000 tingka amtang kata ka wei ka sopti ka de ka wei ka design tang na ka binta jongphi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran pho no menta hau khandai saw lai 100,000 pra hinyo lai pra